Hello, you're welcome. How to solve this nice exponential equation? Solution from here. And what we have here, we take the log on both sides. That is, we have log 4 raised to power x equals to log 400 on this side. Then here, we apply the power of logarithm. When we have log m raised to power p, this same thing as p log m. This here, we have x log 4 equals to log 400 on this side. The next step here, divide both sides by log 4. Divide this side by log 4. Also divide this side by log 4. And this here log 4 cancelled each other here. We have x equals to log 400 over log 4. The next step here, we can write 400 as 4 times 100. Then what we have here becomes x equals to log 4 times 100 over log 4. This follows when we have log a times b. And write this as log a plus log b. And this here, we have x equals to log 4 plus log 100 over log 4. Then we separate this into two fractions. And this becomes x equals to log 4 over log 4 plus log 100 over log 4. This here, log 4 cancelled each other here. We have one left. This becomes x equals to 1 plus log 100 over log 4. Then, next step here, also 100 can be written as 4 times 25. This, what we have becomes x equals to 1 plus log 4 times 25 over log 4. This also follows the law of logarithm, and we have x equals to 1 plus log 4 plus log 25 over log 4. Then here we separate this into two fractions. We have x equals to 1 plus log 4 over log 4 plus log 25 over log 4. And here log 4 cancel each other here. We have 1. This becomes x equals to 1 plus 1, that's 2, plus log 25 over log 4. Then, next step here, we can write 25 as 5 times 5, that's 5 squared. And also 4 as 2 times 2, that's 2 squared. Which implies here becomes x equals to 2 plus log 5 squared over log 2 squared. Then here we apply the power law of logarithm. So this 2 comes here and also here. We have x now equals to 2 plus 2 log 5 over 2 log 2. Then next step here, we have 2 cancel each other here. We have x now equals to 2 plus log 5 over log 2. Then here we apply change of base. When we have log a over log b. This is the same thing as log a to base b. That is, what we have here becomes x equals to 2 plus log 5 base 2. That is, we have the value of x in this problem. Then let's check if This satisfies this given problem. Then we substitute the value of x here, which is x equals to 2 plus log 5 base 2. This all we have here becomes 4 raised to power 2 plus log 5 base 2. Is this equals to 400 on this side? Then this follows the law of indices. What we have a raised to power n plus n. This same thing as a raised to power n times a raised to power n. This here we have 4 square times 4 raised to power log 5 base 2. Is this equals to 400 on this side? In 4 square here, 4 times 4, that's 16 times. Here we can write 4 as 2 square, which is also raised to power log 5 base 2. Is this equals to 400 on this side? Then here we have 16 times 2 raised to power. We revise this 2 from power log. We have log 5 square base 2. Is it equals to 400 on this side? Then here we have 16 times 2 raised to power log 5 squared, that's 25 base 2. Is this equals to 400 on this side? Next step here, this follows when we have a raised to power log b to base a, which is equals to b. This here we have 16 times 25. Is it equals to 400 on this side? Then here we have 16 times 25. 5 times 6 as 30. Keep 3, that's 5 times 1. 5 plus 3, we have 8. Then 2 times 6, that's 12. Carry 1, then you have 3 here. That's 0, 0, 4. So here, this gives us 400 here, which is equals to 400 on this side. This left hand side is equals to the right hand side, and therefore we conclude that x equals to 2 plus log 5 is 2. Satisfy this given problem. Thank you for watching. Don't forget these steps. Subscribe for more videos and turn the notification bell. Share this video, give it a thumbs up, and put your comment. See you next class and bye for now.